The Karnataka government is on the back foot a day before a crucial cabinet meeting which will decide on handing over IAS DK Ravi's death case to the CBI. The Karnataka High Court has barred the Siddaramaiah government from tabling the preliminary CID probe report in the State Assembly. Justice Abdul Nazir issued the direction after petition was moved on Sunday. ABVP activists, in fact, have also protested in Bengaluru against this case. The court said the government doesn't have right to table the preliminary report of an ongoing investigation in the House. The state government had jumped to conclusion even before autopsy in the case and had claimed the upright IAS officer had committed suicide. The government had remained unmoved despite protests across Karnataka and the family of deceased DK Ravi beginning a hunger strike. The state government later resorted to leaking information to media, claiming that DK Ravi had committed suicide due to personal reasons. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah has called for a meeting of his Council of Ministers on Monday at 10:30 a.m. to formalize a decision to hand over DK Ravi's case to the CBI.
Case which is between the judiciary and the police. Normally, to the best of my knowledge, these reports are not tabled in the House. I would not say what exactly is likely to be done, but normally such investigation reports are not filed on the floor of the House. No, FIR, if it is filed, it is a case of investigation of a crime. The report is sent to the judicial courts and not to the government.
Well, let me quickly go across to my colleague Rohini Swami, who's joining us from Bengaluru itself. Rohini, Sonia Gandhi wants a CBI probe. The entire Bangalore wants a CBI probe. Finally, after all the drama, the Chief Minister seems to be relenting. It seems that on Monday, an announcement is likely on this.
Well, absolutely, and more importantly, there's a lot of pressure on the Karnataka government to hand it over to the CBI, and that is what the meeting that is going to be held at 10:30 in the morning, the Council of Ministers, headed by the Karnataka Chief Minister, Mr. Siddaramaiah, is to decide to give it to the CBI. But more importantly, the High Court of Karnataka has issued a direction very clearly saying that the preliminary report cannot be tabled in the floor of the House. The petitioner for this particular case is the husband of the lady IAS officer who it is said that DK Ravi had called and sent SMSs to. And what we have been also told, especially by the lawyers, is that it is a blanket order that has come. The blanket order means that neither the CID nor the Karnataka government or nor the CBI can disclose details of the report of the investigation till this case is heard in the court.
Thank you so much, Rohini, for bringing us that very, very important update. Rohini there taking us through how the government has now put end to how the court, in fact, I beg your pardon, has put an end to this misinformation, to the selective leaks that were coming from the side of the government, and now have also asked the government not to table any report in the assembly as it is an ongoing investigation.